skill-wise is second to none. But they had Darius Miller, and he was a guy that has been through the wars in Lexington. Oh my!
Oh, why?
Into half-court man. Good pass.
What a look from Boston to host Oklahoma in the second game. A couple of interesting teams who feel like they might be a little bit sneaky underrated, sneaky better than people are giving them credit for. Boy, look at the work on the glass. And Memphis almost lost his footing there. Wiseman from the free throw line. Ball driving on Okoro after a switch. Won't go down, but the follow will. And guess
offensive board. Ellis with the steal for Memphis. Wiseman, a post touch. And he's got his...
Right now, our system is broken. And it's unfortunate to see kids continually paying the price. We talked about the suicide realization. All right, Wiseman's not playing. It's incredibly disappointing because we want to see him play.
Yeah, sure.
All of a sudden, well, he is playing. All of a sudden, yep, he's starting. It was so bizarre.
All of a sudden, he is coming out of the tunnel. And all of a sudden, he is knocking Diggins from the elbow. Harris chasing it down. Wiseman.